Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm making this video from a tropical island, which is amazing, and this is why you need to learn what I'm doing. Join 76,000 subscribers, hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. I'm doing trades, I'm buying crypto stocks, trading them from my phone, recording these videos from my phone and showing you how I do it as well. Join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button, take the crypto master course, 6,500 students to learn technical analysis. If you've been losing money in cryptos and stocks, learn how to actually trade them, when to invest. And do all your trades on Bybit. The link is down below. Let's jump straight into the technicals for Bitcoin, the total market cap of all cryptos, and Nasdaq. Now, we're going into technicals. Bitcoin had a pullback today, but still holding at the moment. We broke out of this big bearish flag, this one here. So you're watching Bitcoin moving over the last few months here. So this was when it was at 30K, it dropped down, bounced off 18K. That's Bitcoin moving. Now we had this big bear flag, this one, and we broke. Usually they break to the downside, which would have taken us to 12K, but we broke above it the day before, or 2 days ago. You can see that Bitcoin broke above this bear flag, this 22,800. That was important. We went all the way to 24,000 something, and then we've pulled back. Now we're sitting right underneath the bear flag right now. We need to get back above here, 23,000 to remain bullish. We need to get above and break out strongly. On the daily, stochastic now is turning down, and that's not good. It could be pulling back quite big, but if we can hold this 23,000 and move up, that's a good sign. We do have a big support here, but stochastic is moving down. RSI is also turning to head down, but more to go. On the weekly, though, this movement is getting started. If we can move back above 23K, we could have a big bullish moment for Bitcoin heading up. Squeeze mob hasn't gone to the green yet. Stochastic is turning to head up as well on the weekly. So on the weekly, we're very oversold. On the daily, it's quite overbought now on the daily. So for the next few days, we could have a pullback here, but it would be very good for Bitcoin to hold this 23,000. EMA ribbons, we're inside the EMA ribbons. We almost turned them. Crypto Guru Bot fired a buy a few days ago and hasn't done that for a few months. So that's quite a big important thing. Now, if we go closer on the 4-hourly, you can see clearly how Bitcoin got rejected off, came down, got rejected off 24K, came down, bounced exactly off the 200 weekly moving average and headed up. So we got that bounce. Stochastic is turning to head up and trying to recover here. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side. RSI is also turning to head up. Now the RSI is making higher lows, and it is matching Bitcoin's price movement. So we can remain bullish as long as we stay above this EMA and we get a big movement up right now for Bitcoin. So in my opinion, we're going to be holding here. If we get rejected strongly here, then we're going to come down to 19K, and that's very dangerous for Bitcoin and crypto markets, because then we play out on that bear flag. If we break down here and we break down and we move sideways and we get rejected, come down to 19K, we could play out that bear flag down to 12K. So we really need to get a movement up here, 23K, and take over 23K. On the hourly, RSI is very oversold heading up. Squeeze mob is finished its downward movement going back to green. Stochastic is very oversold as well. So we're trying to get a recovery here. In my opinion, there's not much selling pressure down here. Everyone that bought at 20K, 19K, I don't think most of them are going to be selling at 23K. So in my opinion, there's not going to be much downward pressure, and I would actually be going long here on Bitcoin. I would open a long where we're sitting right now, stop loss below the 200 weekly moving average, and the take profit all the way up at the 26K target. This gives us an epic trade, 8.85 ratio trade. For every Bitcoin, you're risking $400 to make $3,600, 8.8 ratio trade. With 10x leverage, that would be $36,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $360,000 of profits. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. The opening price would be where we're sitting right now, 23K. Stop loss would be down here at 22,500. It either works this trade and heads up, or it comes down under the 200 weekly average, closes the trade, and we don't lose much. And the take profit at 26,544. That's the trade I'm going to share in the Telegram group for Bitcoin now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video down below, on your phone, if you go down to the description, you can trade Bitcoin and altcoins. You can buy spot of Bitcoin, you can short long Bitcoin, you can trade altcoins, you can buy altcoins using this Bybit link. Bybit is, if you've been losing money on exchanges or worried about being hacked or worried that the exchange is dodgy, I recommend using Bybit because it is the third biggest exchange and they are safe. I have almost $500,000 sitting on Bybit. I know the founder of Bybit and it's quite a safe exchange. When you sign up using this link, you get a $4,450 sign up bonus. Make sure you sign up using this link. So go down below, click this link, sign up. start trading, deposit money, USD, Bitcoin, and you get that $4,450 bonus. And that will give you this trading software. So in here, in this account, I have $437,948, almost $500,000 in here. It dropped around 10K since yesterday, a few percent. I've got USDC, $159,000 US. I've got $130,000 worth of Bitcoin, 5.7 Bitcoin. I've got $82,000 of Solana, and I've got 18,000 USD. I've got a big Bitcoin trade open right now. It's in $9,000 in the profits, 151% in the profits. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade, which is $9,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. And I would open that trade that I talked about right now on Bitcoin. So opening it at 22,000, where we're sitting, 22,900. So you would do it like this. You would go here, you would put 22,900 to open the trade. I would do $1,000 trade. The take profit I would put at 26,000, and the stop loss I would put just underneath the 200 weekly average. 200 moving weekly average. The stop loss is at 22,521, 22,521, and that gives us a risking $148 to make $1,218. Then I would confirm, and I would open a long on Bitcoin. That's the long that I would open. I already have my long open though already on Bitcoin. So that's how I would open the Bitcoin trade down below. Don't forget, join us in the Telegram group. Inside Telegram, we have 3,281 members. And today on Twitter, I'm going to be a panelist for James Crypto New Speaker Alert. So I'll be speaking on a panel on on Twitter Spaces. You can go onto my Twitter, James Crypto Guru, and you can see this Twitter space that I'll be speaking at 21st of July at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Twitter Spaces. So go down there and join us. Also, I share things inside here in the Twitter, so join in this Telegram. The link to this Telegram is in the description of this video. You go down below and you can sign up to the Telegram. And if you want, you can take the crypto masterclass that I talked about, where you learn TA and how to make money in the markets. So that's what's happening for Bitcoin. That's the long that I would take. Over on Binance, I've got in here $492,000, almost $500,000 in here. This was almost 520,000, so pull back a few. Today I've down $5,000 on this account. I've got 9 Bitcoin in here, 140,000 US dollars still to deploy, 89,000 in Solana, and 48,000 in BNB. Those are my trades. Also, I'm going to show you some cool stuff from everyone. So Singapore's central bank will reveal plans for turning the country into a Bitcoin and crypto hub next month. This is massive. If this is true, it'll be crazy. It's huge news for Bitcoin. When you're about to give up on Bitcoin, then you realize the bottom is in. Only 2 million Bitcoin left to mine. So not much of the total amount of Bitcoin left to be mining. These are some student gains. This guy shorted Bitcoin, 131% in the profits. Dude, check out those mountains. But what a technical analysis after they've taken my course actually sees. Love your lifestyle. Hopefully I'll be able to travel around the world like you do when Magicraft traveled to the moon. Yesterday I bought 60 more tokens. I'll keep doing DCA every month. Beautiful. Joseph, the Magicraft game is going to be coming out soon. The gameplay footage, we will be releasing it when there's bullish momentum in the markets. And it is one of the best games that I've ever played. We created it, and it's an epic game, and it's integrating MCRT into it. Our goal is to make it the number 1 play-to-earn game in the space, which is beautiful. Amazing TA, this guy is who you want to be listening to, a legend at calling tops and seeing signals others miss. Thank you, Rod. Bybit is thrilled to announce that Amazy, so Amazy is a play-to-earn version, a similar kind of thing as Steppen, the Move to Earn project. And this is about to launch on Bybit. It's going to launch on July 22nd at 10 a.m. Make sure you pay attention to it. The ticker will be AZY. They're going to launch on Bybit, AZY, Amazy, which is a play-to-earn. It's kind of similar to Steppen. Purchasing power of the $100 since 1st of January. And these are some gains from my students. 200% longing Sol from the Telegram group. 91% longing Sol. 40% on Ant. 70% Sol. 152% in the profits. This is Magicraft, the token that I'm talking about that's integrating into the play to earn. MCRT. I'm the founder of this project. Market cap 1.7 million. I recommend you pay attention to this because soon the gameplay footage is going to be released for PC, Android, and iOS. Mo Khan won the PS5 inside the Telegram group, which is beautiful. We give away giveaways there. This student 62% on Bitcoin. You get the picture. Thank you all for watching. That's my targets on Bitcoin. I'm going to make updated video next on Ethereum and BNB as well. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I hope I can teach you what I learned, my 21 years of investing experience. My goal is to be one of the richest people in the world and help people with technology and the things that I'm building. At the moment, I'm working on some amazing projects. MCRT, which is the play to earn game. This will help the newer generation really accumulate wealth. a psychology app. We're going to give psychology to the masses called Solely. I can't wait to show you it as well. Many projects. I'm a VC in over 100 projects. Yes, everyone, I am hairy. I know this. It's been almost my whole life. Love you all. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you again tomorrow.